Check it out, y'all. Look at the Dimitri go. Hey, y'all. Charles here, AllCoastLawncare pressure washing. Hey, we got the Dimitri on the zero turn. Him and Pastor Smith, they've been working with me. All right, so a lot of help. I'm telling y'all, man, when you have two people helping y'all, it goes by fast. All right. Pastor Smith he had to take off early, so I had to meet you with me all day. And with two people, y'all, with one per, it still goes by fast, y'all. So the Dimitri all day, he was doing the string trimmer and edging, and I was mowing. All right, and then once I got done mowing, I got the blower. I started blowing everything off. All right, so different ways to do it. We got a good system. All right, but hey, Dimitri, get on the zero turn, man. Let's get you on the zero turn. So there he goes, y'all. Check him out. He's doing good. Hey, you gotta take your time, all right? Don't manhandle the bars, y'all. Just like hold them real nice and loose, and just feel for it, okay? He's doing good. He's doing good. So he ain't gonna go that way. He's just gonna come over here, and then right there he's gonna practice doing his K's, going up and down. All right, if he jacks up the yard, I really don't care. This is my backyard, all right? This is for practice. Okay, but hey, you have to just get on the zero turn and do it, y'all. Okay, we never did roll the zero turn before. Just get on it, go in her backyard so no one's watching, and just go for it. All right. So I'm gonna get my tarp. I got the Exmark on that underneath that tarp. He's doing good, y'all. Nice and smooth, y'all. Going real slow, be smooth and smooth as fast, y'all. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna show them how to do these canes. Alright. I call it the K-turn. What do y'all call it? Alright. As long as he doesn't rust in the yard, y'all, he's doing a good job, okay? Good job, Dimitri. Hey, y'all, leave a comment. Hey. Eye pro, ear pro at all times, alright? Even if you're standing next to the mower, you're not mowing, something can just shoot out that mower and get you in the face. Alright? And it could be the eye, okay? So protect your eyes, okay, with eye pro. Hey, thanks for watching. Tell me what you think, give a comment. Alright, that's Dimitri right there, practicing on the zero turn.